Okay guys, I'm back with another one. I'm going to show you some tools that you're going to need to adjust the clutch on a Harley Davidson motorcycle. Okay, first you got to use this here. This is a 5/16 Allen to remove the running board, the left passenger running board that is. Then you're going to need a torque wrench, set to 100 foot-pounds for the clutch adjusting lock nut, and the socket, 11/16 socket. That's just to break it loose when you first start. You don't want to use a torque wrench to break it loose. And then the other torque wrench there's let's see, this one torque wrench right here is a snap-on. It's set to, you want to set it to 100 inch-pounds. Then the other one is you want to set to 95 inch-pounds. That's for, and that's a T27. That's for your derby cover or clutch cover. And then the driver there is just, to run them out once you break them loose. And then you want to have a 7/32 Allen wrench like this, so you can hold the adjuster while you're breaking or tightening the lock nut. Then you're going to need a 9/16 and a 1/2 inch wrench for your clutch cable, and also you need your Bible, or as bikers call it, the Bible. The motorcyclists would say a service manual. You always want to refer to the service manual. Anyway, and you're going to need coffee to go along with it. This is just some things that you're going to need. I mean, if you already know how to adjust the clutch, you don't need the manual for that. You just need the manual for the torque specs. But that's the tools that you're going to need to do it. Okay, after you loosen this nut up, you loosen it all the way up here to the top, and then you loosen this to give you some slack in the clutch cable. This is a brand new cable. Well, it ain't brand new, but from when I did the ape hangers. Got the rag in here to keep this from scratching my bars all. This is supposed to turn freely, and it's not. It's not really cooperating here today. It usually does. Let me take my ring off so I won't scratch the bike. Anyway, there's no reason that y'all sit and watch all of this. Let me get this loosened up, and then I will move to the other side to show you how to adjust the clutch. Okay, let's get started on this side now. What you're going to have to do first is remove this. I've already broke it loose. You're going to remove the running board. Like I said, with the 5/16 Allen. Set it over out of the way. Anywhere. Now, you gotta remove the clutch cover, derby cover, whatever you want to call it. I'm just breaking them loose right this second. 1 second, let me grab a driver. All right. set these where they want. Leave that one in for the last. Wait for the last one. Get that one out. Come on. Now you don't want to do this. You don't have to have a lift to do this. Take my ring back off. But you don't want to do this with it sitting on the jiffy stand. That's what Harley calls it, kickstand. Because if you do, with the bike leaning over, you take this off, you will definitely leak fluid out, or primary fluid, oil. Set this over out of the way where it won't get scratched up. Sorry about the squeaky chair. Now what we got to do is we got to get something to fit that. All right. I'm back. All right, this here is 7/32 Allen. And that is 11/16. What you got to do, you don't really have to. You just loosen the nut up, and then loosen this adjuster up. And what you want to do, is you want to tighten it back down, just until you feel it. I don't know if you can see it in there or not. You see it move. Right there. Let me go a little bit more. Yeah. Just until you feel it touch. Then you want to go back off a half a turn to a full turn, depending on how you like the clutch. I'm going to do a little bit more than half, so that'd be this way. Right about there was half, so I'm going to do it right there. I'm going to tighten this down. And I'm going to try to torque it. You got to torque this. I already got it tight with the wrench. For the most part, anyway. I'm going to torque it to 100 inch-pounds. That's it. And that's all there is to it. And then you just put this back together. I guess we can do that real quick. Wipe the oil out of here. There ain't a whole lot in there anyway. Now you want to torque that to 95 inch-pounds. Where'd it go? There we go. Now, you don't have to, I don't guess, but these are really easy to strip. You definitely do not want to strip these. Then you'll be buying a new outer primary. And you do not want to have to do that. Back around one more time and check. That was weird. torque wrench, but I'm going to check that one more time just to make sure. Yeah. Alright, then you got to put your running board back on. Passenger running board. And I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm just going to get this started, and then I'm going to stop the camera and go around there and show you how to readjust the clutch cable. Now, a lot of people are saying that cable over there, if you read in the service manual, and anytime you're doing any kind of stuff like this to a bike, read the service manual, buy one, they're worth it. But a lot of people are saying that the clutch adjustment around, or the cable adjustment around there, is how you adjust the clutch. That is incorrect. All that does is adjust the slack in the cable up at the lever, the clutch lever. To adjust the clutch, you adjust it in here properly. Okay. Now to adjust the cable, you just keep turning this. You got to go check up there, keep checking up there to get your slack. This is supposed to be turning by hand, but I don't know why it ain't. Anyway, once you get the slack up there, you pull out on the cable, and there's supposed to be a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch from where the cable goes into the lever gap. Once you get that, then you tighten this down, hold it here with a half, tighten it with a 9/16, and you're done. Move your rubber sleeve back over it, and you're all done. Anyway, that's it. That's how you adjust the clutch properly. Hope you enjoyed it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.